Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. This saves time and avoids lost purchases. First, check whether you are on iOS or Android because the steps differ. Once done, sign out of the App Store or Google Play where required and make sure subscriptions are canceled or transferable. Prepare a payment method and billing address from the target country. This is often required. Make a quick backup of app data and note your account details so you can log back in without losing access or purchases. You now change the store region itself. On iOS, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, choose Media and Purchases, View Account, then Country/Region and follow prompts. Use the new payment and address when asked. On Android, open Play Store, Account, Preferences, then Country and Profiles, add a profile for the new country and set a local payment method. If the store forces you, create a new Apple ID or Play profile tied to the target country. This avoids conflicts with existing subscriptions and region locks. Finally, install or update TikTok from the Switch store. You should see the local version available. Once installed, verify your account using a local phone number or email as required. Make sure app permissions are granted. If content or downloads still fail, try clearing the store app cache, sign out and back in, or reboot the device. If nothing works, restore your original region and retry the process step by step. This single troubleshooting tip solves most region change problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.